Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard on your Samsung phone. So if you already have a keyboard downloaded, it's very easy. You just go to the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down all the way to General Management. Then we can go to Keyboard. Go to the top Default Keyboard, choose this. And then you can just select your other keyboard. So I have the Google Gboard right here in the Philippines format or language. So I can just choose this, and this is going to be my new default keyboard. So I can go do this, and then it should pop up Google Keyboard. So you can get more keyboard by going to the Google Play Store. Go to search, just type in keyboard. So you might get keyboards that are larger, different colors, etc. So like big keyboard, you can try that one out. That one's okay. LED keyboard is a little annoying, but it's got good ratings. And then we got the Google keyboard. This one's probably just, your standard good keyboard. Probably best for voice typing and stuff like that. So you can just try out these different keyboards. Some of them might be better than the others. So just look at them, but that's how you switch it if you want to go and just try it out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. More tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.